Very lucky to have Carolyn here. She looked very beautiful today. She's with the amazing statue, three-headed cat fountain.
90th birthday.
Yeah, for your 90th birthday. We have a field trip in the secret garden. Carolyn is having amazing time, right?
Yes.
And she's drinking the healthy spring water tea.
Yeah, Japanese.
Yeah, you like your spring water iced tea? Yeah.
Love it.
And then you're gonna do a similar garden like this. So beautiful.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah,
Yes.
so beautiful. In the fountain.
We will.
I may have done pretty well with the zebra grass here now.
So beautiful. Relaxing, right, Carolyn? You like the iced tea? Look at the beautiful color. This one, that purple color, beautiful, right? So we could do that similar.